Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
This tutorial is going to show you how to add an endnote in Word, which can be useful if you need to reference your text. First, open the document that you want to add an endnote to. As you can see here, we have a multi-page document. Let's click where we want to insert the reference point for our endnote. Here we are just using the end of a paragraph on the first page. Now, click the References tab and in the Footnotes section, click Insert Endnote. You will automatically be taken to the end of your document. Here you can see we have jumped to page 4 out of 4. A line will appear marking off the bottom of the text and a Roman numeral will appear to the left of the cursor. Enter your endnote here. When done, return to the first page of the document and you will see the matching numeral at the point in the text where we inserted the endnote. Click on another point in the text, click the Endnote button, and once again you will be taken to the bottom of the document and another numeral will appear. Simply enter the text as before, and that is how to add an endnote in Word.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.